Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, June 29th. We continue readings from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. Today's essay is titled The Heart's Blossom. Courage is the heart's blossom. All courage is threshold crossing. Often there is a choice to enter the burning building or not, to speak the truth or not, to stand before oneself without illusion or not. But there is also another sort of courage we're talking about here. The kind where afterward the courageous are puzzled to be singled out as brave. They often say, I had no choice. I had to run in that building for that child. Or I had to quit my job, or I would have died. Despite all consequences, there is an inevitable honoring of what is true. And at this deep level of inner voice, it is not a summoning of will, but a following of true knowing. My own life is a trail of such following. Time and again, I have heard deep callings that felt inevitable and which I could have ignored, but only at the great risk of something essential perishing. It was this honoring of what is true that guided me through my cancer experience. Saying no to brain surgery and yes to rib surgery. Saying yes to chemo and then no to chemo. Each decision appeared both courageous and illogical to my doctors. Since then, I've been called heroic for surviving, which is really like championing an eagle for finding its nest. And I have also been condemned as selfish for seeking the truth, which is like blaming a turtle for finding the deep. Courage of the sort is the result of being authentic. It is available to all of us, and its reward, far more than respect, is the opening of joy. Wow, how beautiful is that? So as always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath natural, nice and soft. Remember, there is nothing you need to fix about your breathing in this moment. This breath is enough. You are enough. This moment is enough. See if this reminder gives you a sense of spaciousness in your whole being, a sense of freedom to let all the experiences of the present moment pass through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now take a moment to reflect on a decision that you are currently struggling with. And rather than focusing on your fear of what might or might not happen, try opening to what feels true. Just pay attention to the sensations in your body. Pay attention to what's happening in your heart, opening to what feels true. And without any strategizing or imagining the consequences of honoring what feels true, simply let this truth as you know it rise within you. How does it feel in your body, in your heart? If you'd like, you can also set an intention to follow this inner truth and notice how setting the intention feels. Is there any trepidation, or is there a calmness of sorts? What do you feel? Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I feel my truth. May I touch deep, natural peace. And now, as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection and let what is true fill you, even if you don't quite understand it. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.